Welcome back, guys. Today I have another exciting cool Fortuner with me, built by Code6, and the exciting part is it's not just a normal stage to build. This car right here has a 4-way switchable map, that too with launch control.
Let me take you on a voyage.
Fortuners are known for its torqueous nature, and putting down this torque correctly can make hell lot of difference, and that's the reason why this car gets a stage 2 ECU as well as a TCU tune to show off that aggressiveness, and that tune is by Code6 again. So like I told, this car also get a 4-way switchable map, that too with launch control, which I will be showing you when we drive the car. So now let's look into the mechanical changes that has been done to this car. Talking about the mechanical changes, this car gets a 40 mm lift kit which is equipped with a KYB Scorch for unit and K-Flex springs. And you can see that there is a Super Pro supporting control arm as well along with this. And then talking about the personal thing that I liked a lot, this contrasting Lensoy alloy wheels. It looks really good and it goes along with the black theme of the car. And guys, this is wrapped around with a Maxxis Bravo all-terrain tire, the 980 model specifically. And because of the negative offset character of this particular alloy wheel, the tire is lightly outside, which gives it a super beast kind of look that creates a huge road presence when you drive the car along. So talking about the aesthetic changes, what has been done, you can see that this car has a completely blacked out theme, that is this grille, rear diffusers and this front claddings, everything has been dechromed and it has a gloss black finish which gives a superb look to the car. And then also to add to the aesthetics, you have this yellow fog lamp right here which has been changed by the owner, and that's a projector lens. Also for extreme brightness during night drives, he's also upgraded the lens in the stock headlight. And guys, this unit is really good. I'll be adding the link for the same product in the description, you can check it out. To support the stage 2 build, the car is also equipped with a BMC stock replacement air filter, and also to put down this torque correctly, the car also gets a custom downpipe from Code6 along with the DPF and AdBlue delete. Now that you have seen what's been done to the car, it's big time that we start driving and see how the changes work on this particular Fortuner. Before we start the drive, I'll show you guys how to switch the maps in this car and how to do the launch control as well. So first, apply the brakes, and then there is this cruise control button right here. Press it upwards and you can see the needle moving. So the 1000 RPM stands for the first map, 2000 RPM stands for the second map, 3000 RPM stands for the third map, and 4000 RPM stands for the fourth map. It's just simple. Apply brakes, click on the cruise control button and you can see it moving right there. So now I have selected the fourth map to show you guys the drive, and the final part, how to launch the car with the launch control setting. So first, switch off the traction right here, apply the brake, apply the accelerator, and then press the cruise control button upwards and then dump your brakes. You can see the car flying, launching literally with this kind of torque. We'll be showing you that and adding the clips of the same. So let's get driving into this stage 2 Fortuner right here. So guys, we are going to launch the car right now. I have switched off the traction and now I'm going to press the cruise control button upwards and start throttling. I hope you guys like the launch. I didn't notice that the phone was placed there, so that's why it just bounced back inside. So guys, now before showing you guys how aggressive the TCU tune and ECU tune together are, I would like to talk about this KYB shocks on this particular car. So if you have seen the previous builds which we have driven was the teen setup. So in teen, what's the advantage is that's a EDFC setup. So what happens is whenever you drive through a bad patch, the setup becomes more softer and gives you a much higher comfort, and when you drive fast and in corners it becomes stiff. So that is how EDFC works. But then when it comes to this KYB Scorch for suspension, things are completely different. You get that rally car kind of feel, that is you feel like you're going to bounce off from all places, and it is stiffer setup. Moreover, like the Iron Man setup that you have seen, but the composure is much better compared to Iron Man springs is what I felt, because Iron Man, it's more on the stiffer side. This one, it's absorbing as well as stiff. That's what I liked about this particular KYB in this particular car. So now that I've told you how the suspension setup in this car is, let's see how the Stage-2 tune along with the TCU tune performs. Look at the meter and the clips that I'll be adding right now to see the performance from this beast right here. So guys, I'm in the 4th map doing the launch control as well. Here we go. You can see how aggressive the car is right now. So guys, right now I'm going to show you an instant acceleration of this Stage-2 setup that is going to depict you the aggressiveness of the TCU and the ECU tune together. So let's go. Hope you all like the video, guys. So let me thank Ashwin for lending me the car and Carmet Bangalore for this amazing build, and hope you all give me a subscribe and a like so that I can keep getting you builds like this again and again. Thank you guys.